What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, today's video, I'm gonna pick up bolts with this. I don't know if you can see, but it's a magnet. I'm gonna show you how I've been picking up the bolts, and you have to take them off. I don't know if you can see that. What if I put you guys in here? You guys can see it better. Take them off. I was supposed to put them in the bag, but they couldn't find the bags right now. I'll show you a demonstration. What I mean by that. So I'm getting prepped. I'm getting prepped for the another part of the job. I'm gonna put them in the bag now and count them. Count them in bags, but this is basically step one. Okay. So, let me show you. Hold on. Crap, this is gonna suck because it's gonna pick it. I just have to be really careful. Hold on. I'll come back in the next clip, guys. Hold on. Let me show you. Hopefully you guys get a better angle. This is the magnet. I hope you guys can't see that magnet. I mean the bolts I need to pick up. But this is the second video. I mean the second task of. Second part of my task I need to do after I pick up all the bolts and put it in the box I just showed you. And I'm gonna put them in the bag and get them ready for the other worker. This is pretty fun. I'm working, but it's pretty fun, especially the magnet part. It's pretty fun. Hopefully you guys can see it. It kind of sucks because my wheelchair is metal and it sticks to the middle part, but it's not that strong. And man, dropped most of them, but that's okay. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, picked up some bolts. Now just take them off carefully. Other than that, I don't know if you can hear that, but man. Oh, I hope that didn't ruin the video, but yeah, it's pretty fun. It's just time consuming because they have to give me the other bag to finish the job, or the task, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty fun. Don't let your disability stop you from getting a job like I did. I had 2 jobs. Actually, yeah, I think this is my second job. ever, and I'm 23, and I love it. I love meeting new people and getting out in the community, and when it's my day off, I get out in the community, go to Walmart and stuff like that. You already saw that in previous videos, and you know how I talk. I talk like a normal human being, honestly. But besides that, yeah, I think that can wrap it up for the video part of it. My Instagram will be down below, and tell me if you found this interesting or not interesting. I love hearing your feedback, and please be honest with me, because I think I'm doing pretty good for the circumstances I do have, and try my best to motivate you guys and be there for you guys. And my Instagram will be down below if you ever need anything. I'm a person to talk to, and I'm pretty understanding whatever you've been through, because I've been through it. I'm not gonna sit here and say I've been through everything, but I've been through, I'm gonna say, a lot. And I understand where you guys coming from. If I don't understand, please make me understand so I can understand you guys better. That's what I'm here for. I love you guys. It's been Kyle. I'll see you guys in the next video.